show you how I created this design in Canva. So I'm going to add another page. I'll give this a dark background and go to element to get my frame. I'll be using this one, get it in. The name is quarter circle photo frame. So just go to frames and you'll find it. Position it and then resize. I'll get the other half of the frame. Let me change the size to, I want this to be 344.6, 344.6. So if you want to manually change the size of any object, any element, just go to position and then go to advanced. You will find this, so you can manually change 344.6. I also do the same for this one. That way I'm sure that both height and both shapes have equal height and width. 344.6. I'm going to get in a circle shape. The shortcut to add a circle shape is C on your keyboard, where you go to element and then find the circle shape. I'll give this a gradient color. I want this green. The color code is this for the circular gradient. I'll give these shapes, I'll give them a stroke style of 4 and then change the color to white. The next thing is to add my text, which is Abuja. Ensure that it is positioned at the center. I'll change the font. I want a script font, so I'll be using this script font Brittany. I'll go to effects because I want to give it an outline effect. I'll change the outline color to white. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my images. So I'll go to uploads. I already have the images in my upload, so I'm just going to add them like this. Now the next step is to download this. So I'll go to my share and download. Ensure that the transparent background is checked because I don't want this to have the black background. So I'm going to also ensure that the page you want to download is selected. I'll go ahead and download. I'll add another page. This time I'll be giving it a white background. And I also want an image in the background. So I'll be using this image here, because of course I'm talking about the city of Abuja. So this is an image that welcomes you into the city of Abuja. Reduce the transparency to like around 10 or thereabouts. And get in our image, the one we just downloaded, upload it back into Canva and increase the size. Or resize it just the way you want. Let's keep it like this. I'll go to edit to give it a shadow effect. I'll be using this glow shadow, and this is what I want to achieve with this. So this is it. The next thing is to get in our tests. By now you already know how to get in your test, so if you don't know, find my other tutorials. I'm just going to copy in this and then paste. like so, and then copy in the other text that I already have here. And paste. And getting my logo. And position it. Position my logo. And my design is ready. So let's take a look at what we have just done. So this is it. So this is how to design something like this in Canva.